Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the circle gesture in Settings. Go to Smart Motion and toggle Circle Search on. Once done, unlock the phone and open the app or screen you want to search from Home Screen, Browser, or any app that supports selection. Make sure the display is active and your fingertip is dry for reliable touch. You're now ready to perform the gesture. Position your finger where the content appears so the circle will capture the intended area accurately. You draw a single, smooth closed circle with one finger around the text or image you want to search. Do not lift your finger until the circle closes. Once the circle completes, wait for the brief haptic feedback or visual highlight that confirms the selection. If the system shows a selection menu, tap Search or the browser icon. If nothing appears, repeat the circle slightly larger to ensure the touch area includes the full element. Then tap the suggested result to open. You finalize the flow by tapping the top result to open the link or using the share option to send content to another app. If results are off, redraw the circle more precisely or slightly larger to refine the selection. Repeating improves accuracy. If circle search repeatedly fails, make sure screen sensitivity is adjusted in Settings, restart the phone, and re-enable the gesture. One key troubleshooting tip: if touch input is inconsistent, clean the screen and disable any screen protector temporarily to check for hardware interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.